Hey everyone, it is Sunday Fun Day. And you know that when we're popping on at the very beginning of the show, it's because we want to give you guys a little sneak peek at what we have going on. First of all, I'm sure you know, but in case you don't, free shipping and handling on everything on air and online on QVC. And it's been since Friday. I think it ends tonight, at some point, right? Lisa's saying, yeah. She immediately whipped around just to make sure I was giving you guys the right information. So yes, 11:59 p.m. this evening. Hey, Veronica. Hi, Kimberly. Jeanette, Betty, Lisa, and I both say, oh, hey.
Hi, everyone.
Hey.
Happy Free Shipping Day.
Oh, are you kidding? We were literally just playing Christmas music, and they were playing It's the Most Wonderful Time of the Year. That song makes me laugh. Do you remember the back to school commercial where the parents were like buying all the school supplies and they were like, it's the most wonderful. Oh my God, I love that commercial. Hilarious.
I love your necklace.
Thank you. This is old school. I don't even know. Thank you. It looked like it worked with the shirt today.
It does.
Thanks, Lise.
You and your icy shirt.
My icy colors.
I love it.
Yeah. Hey, Linda. Hey, Michelle. We have two brand new items in the show. We have, are they both Black Friday prices? The 7-piece, I think, and the glass.
7-piece and the glass.
Woohoo! Which means we're retiring them. It means it's the lowest. It means all that good stuff. So stop chit-chatting, Tara, and tell us what we have in the show.
Did someone actually say that?
No, I'm just saying. Lisa goes, oh no, did someone just say that? All right, so if you've been over on our site, we have, for the very first time, and it'll be on at about 12:30, something that I have been working on for over 2 years, and that is a heated gravy boat. If you're going to QVC to check out the colors, you can't because they don't have pictures of them yet. That's how spanking new this is. So you have the beautiful pattern on the front on both sides. Easy, Tara. There's the heated base. If you're wondering if you can put a mug on that base, of course you can. But we did it in our confetti, our beautiful gray. Look at that gorgeous holiday green, holiday red. Lisa's got her holiday fly swatter. I actually had the white underneath when you told me to.
What, the fly?
No, the mug.
Oh.
Lisa said to make sure I had a mug, so I did as instructed. See? I listen.
I'm on a hunt for a fly.
Okay, just wait. There's, it just dive bombed me. I'm not kidding. There's the blue. There's the black. Margie, sit tight on the train. We will keep you posted. There is a train, choo-choo, coming. Choo-choo, coming. And we're trying to get it ASAP, okay? But here's your great heated gravy boat. You guys, ready? Hold on. That was anticlimactic. $18.90. What? Free shipping and handling. Get this. Syrup, gravy, hollandaise sauce. We know all of you were super excited about it when we gave you a little sneak peek. So excited. I'm going to show you that the cord actually breaks free. So you can, if you wanted to take the cord off, you certainly could and bring that right up. Debbie said she got her Harvest Runner. That's where I was headed to next. So it is finally here and it is under $30. You guys, the amount of detail and workmanship in all of these beads, the fact that it has a satin backing is absolutely beautiful. You're going to spot clean this, which is amazing. And it's so gorgeous, whether you're looking at it, the scalloped edging that runs around, the little acorns, the pumpkins. And then, yes, I was spying that beautiful poinsettia. I'm going to encourage David to get some really nice close-ups while we're sharing this with you, because you're just not going to be able to really see the iridescence, the gorgeous pearl-like looks of all of these. I am so obsessed with them, and they're finally here. Lisa says she has an item number for us on the Beaded Runner.
I do.
What is it, Lise?
Hold on for 1 second.
Here's how we're getting set up.
K05.
K05.
That's wrong.
I'm sorry, back it up. Boop, 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 boop. Hey, Lisa, what's the item number of the Beaded Runner?
K503.
K503. 27.
Oh.
Harvest or poinsettia?
We don't have a lot of these.
We don't. We do not have a lot of them.
It's the only order this year.
It's the only order this year. Same with the gravy boats, you guys.
Yeah.
Only order of the year, free shipping. Why would you wait to get it on any other day? Like, I'm just gonna put it out there. Then we have our 7-piece nested specialty set, which is awesome. We have platter that we did hollandaise sauce. We have some bacon and sausage. We did waffles. We actually just did kind of like a Christmas brunch. We did beautiful salmon in that elongated bowl. And then you have your little dipping dishes that you have here. We're even going to do some hollandaise sauce in the gravy boat and top it on top of there's a lot of flies. Hey, everybody. Hi, Sherry. So elegant. I got to tell you, it does it no justice. I'm just going to say it. No justice. Did you get them?
No.
No.
Wait, I have to tell you something.
Better luck next time. All right, so the 7-piece set, let's give them the item number.
Yeah, it is.
It is.
Old World is H219.
H219.
270.
270. That's
Now,
Old World.
I want to tell you something about Old World.
What?
We have colors like spice, brown, eggplant, green. Hi. We have green, cranberry, spice, brown Old World, black Old World, red Old World, eggplant Old World, confetti. We have 39.
So all of the colors
And blue.
that you guys want us to carry, we got them.
We got them,
Okay.
but it's retiring.
Yes, it is retiring.
It's on clearance for $65 and free shipping for 7 pieces of stoneware.
That's awesome. And not just little pieces of stoneware, big pieces of
Yep.
stoneware. So that's awesome.
Now, if you
Okay.
want floral lace,
Floral lace.
The item number is H219
219
271.
271.
Oh, we even have like light blue.
Yes.
And
Chocolate. Are
you gonna try to do
he's
that
gonna
today?
probably try to do that. It never works, by the way. He says count 3, 2, 1 and a downbeat, and I still don't feel like it
doesn't
works.
work.
But it's all right. It's still fun. And then last but not least in the show, we have how do you order the gravy boat? Beth, go over to QVC.com. And Lise, can you remind us of what that item number is again?
I sure can. That item number is, sorry, did I get you with the fly swatter?
That's okay.
Okay.
No big deal.
Boop, boop, boop.
Wow, this looks so beautiful. Go ahead. What's the item number?
Wow, that is so pretty. The item number is K50708.
50708 for the gravy boat. So go over to QVC.com and put your order in now because this is the only order of the year. And you guys, we've never done anything like it. And like Lisa was just showing you, can you put your mug on there and keep it warm? Of course you can. All right, last but not least, we have our nesting set of 3. It's not nesting, excuse me. We have our 3 individual break apart glass gifts.
do.
With, of course, our awesome storage cover that has the little burping feature that makes it airtight and watertight.
Oh my gosh, seriously?
It's under $23 for 3 24-ounce glass storage bowls, which is awesome. First day presented at this low sale price, and the
Yes.
sale price goes up. It's on 5-pay and free shipping and handling. What more incentive do you need?
So
no reorder, you guys.
So that sale price and the free shipping goes away at the end of the day today.
Got it.
So it goes up in price tonight. In other words,
Guys, look
24
how pretty.
ounces.
Hey, Lise, can you
Yeah.
do me a favor?
Sure.
Someone is asking for the length
Yeah.
of the beaded runner.
Sure thing.
Could you give us a quick measurement
Of
over
course.
there? Go ahead. Boo, 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 boo. Okay, if you can't tell, we are the plate stand is Lisa's, and we are obsessed. And I actually said I should create one of my own.
True story.
So
35.
working on it. How much?
35 inches.
35 inches long. This is the runner.
And then like the widest is 13 and a half.
And then 13 and a half
Because
is your
it's
width.
scalloped.
Yeah,
So
because it's scalloped, right? So some pop out, some pop in. You know.
Wait, so Sarah, you know what I did?
What?
I put 2 on my table.
Oh, that's nice. Like,
And then it goes all
yeah.
the way to the
Did you hear
end.
that? Lise.
Yes, I put 2 on my dining room table of the poinsettia, and it fits perfectly for a table for 6. I have a rectangular table. So there's an idea.
There's an idea. Love that. Okay. So we've already taken up way too much of your time. Good morning to everybody. Happy or good afternoon. Happy Sunday. We are on at 12:30 with the gravy boat. Then we're going to be on around 1:30. This is Eastern time on QVC. With
2:40-ish.
what? What's the 1:30?
The 130 is the Beaded Runner. Am I right with that? No.
No, Beaded Runner's last. I think it's the 7-piece. It's back to back, and then the glass.
You're right.
And then last but not least, around 2:20. Please don't wait, you
Yes.
guys. If you know you've wanted the Beaded Runner, and I know y'all do, just order it right now because we do not have a lot to go around, and there's no more coming back this year. So I just want to say that. Even Jackson's getting all worked up about it. Jackson. Okay, everybody, adore you. Looking forward to having some fun with the show. And hopefully you enjoyed your little sneak peek about what we have coming on. And we look forward to sharing it all with you very soon, in 20 minutes. Heated Gravy Boat. Be there or be square. Bye.